Hello and welcome to our presentation on advanced placement and dual enrollment options available at White County High School. This presentation will focus on dual enrollment options at White County High School, and we will post another presentation to discuss the advanced placement options available at White County High School. Before we discuss dual enrollment options, let's take a moment to talk about the Hope rigor requirements. Beginning with the class of 2015, students must meet the rigor requirement in order to receive the Hope Scholarship. This slide illustrates the rigor requirement by class. Starting with the class of 2015, current 12th graders, those students must take 2 rigorous courses in order to receive the Hope Scholarship. The class of 2016 must take 3 rigorous courses. The class of 2017 must take 4 rigorous courses, and any class beyond 2017 must also take 4 rigorous courses in order to receive the Hope Scholarship. Students must also have a Hope GPA of a 3.0 or higher. More information about the Hope Scholarship and the Hope rigor requirement can be found at www.gacollege411.org under the Financial Aid tab. Students can also check their Hope GPA at www.gacollege411.org. These are the courses which will satisfy the Hope rigor requirements at White County High School. They are listed by subject area. In English, AP Language, AP Literature. In Math, Advanced Algebra, Pre-Calculus, Accelerated Pre-Calculus, Math of Industry and Government, AP Calculus, and AP Statistics. In Science, Chemistry, Human A&P, Physics, AP Chemistry, AP Biology. In Social Studies, AP Government, AP World History, AP U.S. History, AP Economics, AP Human Geography. In Foreign Language, Spanish 2, Spanish 3. All of these courses will count as a Hope rigor course. Again, more information can be found at www.gacollege411.org under the Financial Aid tab. Now let's discuss dual enrollment options. What is dual enrollment? Dual enrollment is an opportunity for students to take college classes while being enrolled as a high school student. The student must apply and be accepted by a local college while simultaneously being a high school student, hence the term dual enrollment. There are several different dual enrollment programs. There's the Excel program, which is the most common program at White County High School. There's the Move On When Ready program. There's the Hope Grant program and residential programs. We will discuss all these options starting with the Excel and Move On When Ready program. There are a lot of similarities between the Excel and Move On When Ready program. However, there are some really distinct differences as well. Starting with the Excel program. The Excel program allows for students to take core academic classes, English, Math, Science, Social Studies, and foreign language. Students can be in grades 9 through 12. However, many colleges will only take 11th and 12th graders, or students who are 16, and we find that many 9th and 10th graders just may not be ready to take college level courses yet, or they may not satisfy prerequisites which are needed in many college level courses. Students must apply and be accepted by the local college. Every college has their own list of requirements which can be found on their websites. Students and parents should be very familiar with these requirements, which can be found on their admission webpage. Students can, under the Excel program, can be full-time or part-time. There is an Excel list of courses that students can take. It can be found at gacollege411.org under the Excel tab, which is found on the shortcut menu. Students can take Excel classes at a local college, or at White County High School. We have an opportunity through North Georgia Technical College for students to take Excel classes at White County High School. We'll discuss that a little bit more in a minute. Students will earn college credit and high school credit simultaneously with the same class under the Excel program and all dual enrollment programs. And hours attempted will not count against the Hope hours, which is really nice because once your student graduates or once you graduate from White County High School, you'll have all of your Hope hours as you start college. The Move On When Ready program has some differences. Students must be in grades 11 through 12, and students must apply and get accepted by the college. That's the same as the Excel program. However, with the Move On When Ready program, students have to be full-time. They have to take all their courses at a local college. And if you drop one course, you have to drop them all. So there's some risk involved. There's an Excel and dual enrollment list. Under the Move On When Ready program, students can take core academic classes and elective classes. All classes for Move On When Ready will be taught at a local college, and the students will earn high school and college credit simultaneously, and those hours will not count against Hope as well. So as you see, there are some similarities and there's some differences between Excel and Move On When Ready. The biggest difference is that as a Move On When Ready student, students must be full-time college students. The Hope Grant program is the second most common program we see at White County High School, and students can be in grades 9 through 12. Again, many colleges will only take students who are 16 or who are in 11th or 12th grade. You have to check the college's admission criteria. You must also apply and be accepted by a college. Under the Hope Grants, you can be enrolled full-time or part-time. There is a dual enrollment directory, and most classes under the Hope Grant will be taught on a college campus. Students under the Hope Grant program will earn high school and college credit, and hours attempted will not count against Hope. The big difference between the Hope Grant program is Hope Grant is only for technical colleges, and it's only for technical areas such as mechanics and business and welding and cosmetology and healthcare and the like. Excel is for core classes, math such as college algebra, science, college biology, English 1101 or 1102, social studies, foreign language. So Excel is only for core content degree level courses. Hope Grant is only for technical, certificate, or diploma programs at a technical college in the field of welding, mechanics, engineering, and the like. There are two residential programs in the state of Georgia. There's a program at University of West Georgia and a program at Middle Georgia College. Under the residential program, students will live full-time on a college campus and be a full-time college student, but they will still be enrolled in high school. However, they will be taking all their classes at one of these colleges. If you're interested in these residential programs, please look on these colleges' websites to find out more information about these programs. One other program worth mentioning, which is not technically a dual enrollment class or not technically a dual enrollment program, is Joint Enrollment. Joint Enrollment allows for students to take college level courses at a local college. However, those courses will not come back as high school credit. They are only college credits. So a student can go to a local college, and if the college will allow them, maybe take a college level course, and there may be financial aid available, there may not be financial aid available, but if those students take a college level course, it's only for college credit. Those courses could count against the Hope hours as well. So, in order to participate as a dual enrolled student, the following requirements are in place. Students must be on grades 9 through 12, depending on the program. The student must be enrolled at a public high school the year before, the preceding October through March. They must be in a public school for at least a year. They must have applied to a college and been accepted by a college. They must meet are requirements at White County High School. We will discuss those in a moment. And they must meet the college requirements. There's two sets of requirements, ours and the college. Students will complete an Excel online application for the Excel program or other application for other program. Students should be in good standing. Maturity is a very important factor to consider. Is your child, or as a student, are you ready to be a college student? That's very important to consider. Students should only take classes from the approved list and meet with their high school guidance counselor to schedule courses and receive advisement. The following requirements are White County High School requirements. In order to be a dual enrolled student, at White County High School, these requirements are in place. The students should apply to a college by April 1st and meet the minimum requirements set forth by White County High School by April 1st in order to be a dual enrollment student for the fall of the next year. If the student wishes to dual enroll for the spring semester, they must apply and meet all requirements by November 1st. This is a firm deadline. Many colleges will have later deadlines, such as June. However, our deadline is April 1st for the fall and November 1st for the spring. Students should have the minimum SAT score or ACT score or ASSET or COMPASS score. The minimum SAT score to be a dual enrolled student is a 480 critical reading and a 440 math, with a combined total of a 970. The combined total is for critical reading and math only. The minimum ACT score is a 20 English, 18 math, and a composite score of a 21. If a student wishes to go to a technical college, they can meet the minimum ASSET or COMPASS scores for that college. In order to be a dual enrolled student, a student should have a minimum core GPA of a 3.0 for the Excel program or Move On Ready program, and a 2.5 core GPA for the Hope Grant program. Students should attend a dual enrollment workshop or they should watch this video. And also, a student should meet with a counselor and sign all advisement forms. You do not see that on your PowerPoint, but that's also a requirement. These are the most common local options: North Georgia Technical College, Truett McConnell College, Piedmont College, and the University of North Georgia, both Dahlonega and Gainesville. All give students the opportunity to dual enroll. All of these colleges have different requirements. Please check the websites of these colleges for their requirements. Also, keep in mind that White County High School has our requirements as well. As I mentioned earlier, we do have an opportunity at White County High School through North Georgia Technical College for students to take dual enrollment classes at White County High School. Next year, we hope to have all of the following courses taught at White County High School: English 1101, English 1102, College Algebra, College Psychology, and College Economics under the Excel program. Remember, the Excel program is for core academic areas. These are all freshman level courses. In fact, your student could take 4 courses, college classes, at their high school. They don't even have to leave our campus in order to take college level courses. We'll also be adding a Hope Grant program. We're trying to add criminal justice classes at White County High School, and your student can have the opportunity to take those courses. All of these students will have to get accepted at North Georgia Technical College and sign the appropriate forms and meet the White County High School requirements mentioned earlier, but these options are available at White County High School. In a later presentation, we will discuss AP programs and the benefits and advantages to the AP program. That wraps up our dual enrollment options available at White County High School. More information can be found by contacting your school guidance counselor, Ms. Lynette Griffin or Mr. Keith Futch. We appreciate your time and attention in listening to this presentation and hope that you have found it informative. Thank you and have a great day.